Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log into Coinbase when your registered phone number is unavailable. If you find yourself unable to receive a two-step verification code, do not worry. When prompted for the code during login, simply select the I Need Help option. This action will guide you to the account recovery page, where you can begin the process of regaining access to your account. You will need your email address and password to start. To proceed with account recovery, Coinbase will require you to verify your identity. This is a crucial security step to ensure only you can access your funds. You will be asked to upload a clear photo of a valid government-issued identification document, such as a driver's license or passport. Make sure all personal information on your Coinbase account precisely matches your ID. This verification can take up to 24 hours. Once you have successfully regained access to your Coinbase account, it is highly recommended to update your two-step verification method. Switching from SMS to an authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator or Authy, offers enhanced security. These apps generate time-based codes that are not reliant on your phone number, protecting against SIM swap attacks. For the strongest security, consider adding a physical security key. To prevent future access issues, always maintain multiple two-step verification methods. For example, have both an authenticator app and a security key enabled. Keep your personal details, like your address and name, current on your Coinbase account to avoid verification delays. Regularly check your security settings and be extremely cautious of any suspicious emails or messages. Coinbase will never ask for your seed phrase or private keys.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.